I'm from Afghanistan's Kabul territory.
I come from Sri Lanka.
I'm from Kuwait.
I'm from Bangladesh.
I'm originally from Libya.
I come from China.
In Addysg Oedolion Cymru, Adult Learning Wales, we are community-based education. It's very much learner-centred as opposed to colleges and universities and other educational places. It's what they need, so we take into consideration what they want to learn. They don't just learn English, it's not academic English, you know, they learn how to live their life in this country or to progress onto further education or, you know, to get a job. So it's life skills.
You have to get the bus and you have to know where is the location, or you want to get your driving license, you have to learn how get the course, and even you have a kids. That's mean you're gonna have a teacher appointment. You have to be know how to speak and how to explain and how to get your point with them. That's mean the English is very important.
This helped me. I can buy something and I can go to clinic. I don't need a translator because I help myself.
I go shopping and go to GB, railway station or bus station. Yes, it's helpful. Yes.
Classes are very flexible. We of course, as a teacher, I have to be very understanding because, of course, everyone has the problem, like different problems, and they like that flexibility, and they really enjoy coming back to us.
As it's not like teacher-student, like as one family come and learn, and she has big patience with us.
She's being very nice, she's very helpful, and of course she has make us she has make us to speak up with anything we can ask her anything, anytime. She's very helpful to us.
Teacher, she's really nice. I like her. She do the best for us. And we enjoy the English class. It's fun for us.
I see learners who I've taught probably 10 years ago, and they're security guards, they're working in shops, and they, oh, hello, you know, how are you? And I feel so pleased that they've got to where they have, and these classes have helped them to get there. And you continuously hear that they, you know, being able to help their children at home, you know, looking for jobs, they're looking for other courses, really trying to improve. And I feel Adult Learning Wales is doing a brilliant job in providing all these classes to us and trying to help our learners.
I want to get done everything by myself. I want to be independent.
The benefits of learning ESOL is that, you know, we teach how to integrate into the British society. I think ESOL is about the learner and what their needs, basically.